My name is Fun. Welcome to FunFun Busy Bags. I'm a mom of 3 boys, then a girl, ages 2 to 12. Since my oldest was a baby, I've always wanted to do busy bags but never got around to it. I wasn't motivated to spend the time or money to put them together. That changed several weeks ago when I put these 45 busy bags together for my 3 younger kids. The bundle with the purple bag on top is for my 7-year-old, the 2 blue for my 5-year-old, and the rest for my 2-year-old. For those of you who have never heard of a busy bag contains an activity for a kid to learn through play. Typically, you bring busy bags to a restaurant, a doctor's office, or a sibling sports practice or game so your kid has something to do to occupy themselves. At home, they can be entertained screen-free by the busy bags while you prepare a meal or do other household tasks. Given our current situation and uncertain times, my 3 older kids will be 100% remote learning in the fall. I plan to homeschool my preschooler with the busy bags and enhance my 2 younger sons' schoolwork with the busy bags or when they're bored and need something to do. I'm so excited to share my busy bags with you. I'll start with the first bundle for my 7-year-old. I bought these pencil pouches from Walmart for 97 cents. I love them. You can also use any pencil pouch you like, or you can use a Ziploc bag, or one decorated with duct tape like this one I made a while back and has held up pretty well. I like to use 3 rings to keep them together. You can also use just one at the top. I bought them at Walmart too. It's easy to carry and you can hook it anywhere to store it at home. You can also keep them in a bin or tote. The first busy bag is a perla kit from Michaels. You put these beads on the various shaped trays to make a design and iron it. You can create various designs like these. I put a ribbon around this one for a fun necklace. Number 2 is a small tangram set with designs you have to figure out to build. We got this a long time ago from Toys R Us. Number 3 is Uno. My son loves card games. I will switch it out with other card games periodically. Number 4 is all about the United States. There are flashcards of the 50 states and blank maps of the U.S. to fill in the states and pinpoint the capitals when my 7-year-old son is a little older. Both are from Dollar Tree. There's a post-it note as a reminder to grab the U.S. felt map from my busy bag bin where I store items associated with the busy bags. The felt map is from the Target dollar spot. Number 5 is a number grid game my son got from school during math night, which he enjoyed. It emphasizes numbers 1 through 100. I included our own big red die to make it more fun. Number 6 is several sheets of stencils and some paper behind them. I would change out the stencils with other designs when he's done with these. This activity is good for improving fine motor skills. The next bundle is for my 5-year-old. This first busy bag is a bingo game from Dollar Tree. They have many designs. My son loves monsters. Busy bag number 8 is a My Busy Book Busy Town set from Barnes & Noble, which includes 10 vehicles and a play mat in a board book box. My son will play with this more when he sees it in a busy bag than when it's in a bin with the other sets in his My Busy Book collection. I would change out the set with another one when he's bored with this one. Number 9 is a memory game with only 10 pairs. My son can play with only several pairs at a time. More pairs can be added when he gets better at it. All my kids love Winnie the Pooh. Number 10 is addition flashcards from Dollar Tree. My son doesn't know math yet, so this activity will grow with him. Right now, he can use the dinosaur erasers as counters and place X amount of erasers on each number. These adorable erasers are from the Target dollar spot. Number 11. I got these cute clothespins with the months on them from the Target dollar spot. My son doesn't know all the months yet, so this activity will grow with him. I found various images of nature, clothing, and seasonal events for him to clip the months on. Number 12 includes a shark adventure sticker book from Michaels and a couple sheets of cardstock to create scenes or decorate. What boy doesn't like sharks, pirates, and treasures? Arr, matey! The third bundle is also for my 5-year-old. The first bag includes pipe cleaners and pony beads kit to make bracelets. It's good for developing fine motor skills. I'll refill the materials as needed. Busy Bag 14 is painting with Q-tips. The paint sheets are from Michaels. My son loves dinosaurs, as you all know by now. Number 15 includes flashcards 1 through 20 and cute erasers as counters, both from the Target dollar spot. As my son learns more numbers, I will add the higher numbers flashcards. Number 16 is a set of fun Brain Quest flashcards for ages 5 to 6, kindergarten level. Number 17 includes 5 cards of each of activity cards from Melissa and Doug Smarty Pants. And Kids Books 50 Fantastic Puzzles cards. I included a dry eraser marker with a built-in eraser. I will change the cards out as my son finishes them. He will do these more in the busy bags than when they were in their set stored in a bin. I wanted to do the same with the Brain Quest set, but it can't be unscrewed. The rest of the bundles are for my 2-year-old. This fourth bundle includes a larger size pencil pouches to fit larger activities. This top bag is all about money and includes a felt money set and money flashcards and workbook from the Target dollar spot. The Post-it note is a reminder to grab this envelope from my busy bag bin. The fake money in the cash register drawer is from Dollar Tree. I included a Toy Story wallet and cute coin purse. This activity will grow with my daughter's knowledge of money. My 5-year-old and 4-year-old can use this set too. Busy bag number 19 is a tangram set from Melissa and Doug. I included only one double-sided board, an exact number of pieces for each design. I will switch out the board when it has been completed. Number 20. I made Velcro craft sticks to make designs. I also made design cards to follow if she wants to. The jumbo color craft sticks are from Walmart. The round Velcro are from Dollar Tree. Number 21 is a portable mini sensory bin. It includes a collapsible cardboard box and materials traditionally used in a larger sensory bin. This one has pasta, 2 small cups, and a toy construction chuck. I may do a separate video on various themed sensory bins. Number 22 is a Play-Doh kit. I put together a fruit theme with fruit cutter, a roller, a can of Play-Doh, and a play mat. I'll change out the kit with another theme when she's done with this one. Dollar Tree has kits like this one. Pop it in the busy bag and you're done. The fifth bundle includes a 7-day pill container from Dollar Tree. I cut and glued colored felt on top for color sorting with pom-poms. My 2-year-old and 5-year-old can't use the big red tweezer from Dollar Tree yet, but they can use these tongs also from Dollar Tree. I've also included this fun tweezer from the Sneaky Snacky Swirl game. This activity is good for color sorting and developing fine motor skills. Busy Bag 24 is all about Swinkies. My kids love Swinkies. Kids love to play with little bitty things. There's a Post-it note as a reminder to go to my busy bag bin and grab those items associated with this busy bag. A Swinkies clubhouse and a Swinkies airplane. Number 25 is matching capital letters. The individual letters are from a decorative border from the Target dollar spot and cut out. The flashcards are also from the Target dollar spot. Number 26 is matching lowercase letters. The flashcards are from the same set in the previous busy bag. The post-it note tells me to grab the lacing wooden blocks from Melissa and Doug in my busy bag bin. '27 includes numbers clothespins from the Target dollar spot. They clip to 2 sets of corresponding numbers flashcards from Dollar Tree. '28 is a fishing game with a magnetic pole from Melissa and Doug. The sea creatures originally came in a puzzle board. I included a felt piece cut into a pond shape. This activity gives the puzzle pieces a second life of play. I may do a DIY version of this activity in another video. The 6th bundle starts with a color matching activity with flashcards from the Target dollar spot and counting bears. Busy Bag 30 includes more of those colors flashcards in a previous busy bag, but now color matching with various items. 31 has numbers flashcards still from the same set in the previous 2 busy bags and glass beads from Dollar Tree used as counters. My daughter will place 1 bead on the 1 circle on the number 1 flashcard, and so on. Number 32 includes addition flashcards and these cute unicorn and rainbow erasers from the Target dollar spot used as counters. Since my 2-year-old doesn't know math yet, she will place a certain number of erasers on the corresponding number. An older child can use the counters to help solve the math problem. Number 33 is part of a Match It Who Am I puzzle set from the Learning Journal International from TJ Maxx. I also included a helpers in my community book. I will switch out the 4 pairs when they are completed. Number 34 is matching upper and lowercase letters. The lowercase letters came from a My First Alphabet game by DK Games I got from Goodwill. And the uppercase letters came from a decorative border also used in a previous busy bag. The 7th bundle starts with an animal matching game with flashcards from the Target dollar spot and various plastic animal figures. Busy Bag 36 encourages fine motor skills with screws and bolts. Number 37 includes rubber bands and a note to grab a pegboard and a big dinosaur figure from my busy bag bin. Kids can make their own designs on a pegboard. Or you can include some design cards for them to follow. You can make them or get some free printables online. It's different and fun to put rubber bands over a dinosaur's head and limbs while they're developing fine motor skills. Number 38 includes 6 wooden number and picture matching puzzles from a Sesame Street puzzle game set from TJ Maxx. I will switch out the pairs periodically. Number 39 includes 9 wooden occupation and environment matching puzzles from the same set as the previous busy bag. I will switch out the pairs as needed. It's a good idea to break out a big set into smaller, manageable chunks. Number 40 includes a What Happens Next picture sequencing puzzles from Carson Dell'Osa Publishing from TJ Maxx. I'll switch out the puzzles when my 2-year-old understands the various sequences. The last bundle has snap cubes or math links for color matching and sequencing. I made my own cards, but you can get numerous free printables online. Busy Bag 42 has 2-piece front and back animal matching puzzles. Color matching is an option on the other side of the puzzles. Number 43 includes some pieces from the Bingery the Memo Bingo game I bought from Goodwill. Here it's used as a simple matching game. I'll switch out the 4 boards and corresponding pieces as needed. Number 44 includes 10 cards from the I Spy a Mouse in the House Picture Rhymes game by Carson DeLosa, publishing from TJ Maxx. Various small items are matched to the corresponding cards. I'll use the other cards later. It's good to use parts and pieces of stuff you already have for something else. And finally, we've reached Busy Bag number 45, which has a Match It spelling puzzles from the Learning Journal International from TJ Maxx. My 2-year-old will connect the pictures while my kindergartner will learn to recognize or spell simple words soon. I'll switch out the puzzles periodically. I want to mention that you don't have to put together 45 busy bags like I did. Let's just say I'm a little obsessed with busy bags. I recommend that you put together one bundle of 5 busy bags. See how that works for you. You can replace the activities in the busy bags as needed. If you have more than one kid, I recommend a bundle per kid to keep their activities, which are based on their age levels, together. Please tune in for the next video, 10 true and tried busy bags for toddlers, as I show you how to put together fun and easy busy bags for your little ones. Thank you for watching. Please support my channel by subscribing and hitting the like button. Leave a comment and let me know what's your favorite busy bag so far, and if you're interested in seeing me open and demonstrate any busy bags. Also, I will do a tutorial of any busy bags if there's enough interest. A shout out to my 12-year-old son for the Lego stop motion intro and editing. He also has a YouTube channel, Islo Racing Network. He does NASCAR racing stop motion. I'm awed by his patience and creativity. He takes around 1,000 pictures to make one stop motion race. He's a fantastic sports announcer too. I'll put a link to his channel below. Check it out. Thank you for watching. At FunFun Busy Bags, we hope to inspire you to create fun activities for your kids to play, learn, and grow.